I think this is a very, very brave step Ashish has taken. And uh, actually, this is a blind for me today. I was just telling him that he could have sent me a copy and I would have read the story and would have evaluated like his true boss. He worked with me, and one of the finest investigative journalists I can say Ashish is. आई कंटिन्यू विद संतोष जी. आपने जब बोला कि आशीष तुमको मैं बधाई देने के साथ साथ में आपने थोड़ा सा कॉशन भी किया. I would like to share an anecdote. It was Sunday, and one of my team member at AVP Star called me in panic. It was Sunday afternoon. I was just lazing around. And he called me and he said, Sheila, Ashish takleef mein hai. And Ashish was traveling as undercover somewhere in Madhya Pradesh. He is brave, but sometimes I feel that he is recklessly brave. So he gave me an idea and I said, okay, well, if you can get it, I would be very, very happy. And he was surrounded by some right-wing group. I think his cover was already busted and he was online. For the first time, I realized Ashish's voice was shaking. He knew that it could be a very bad end to the whole episode. Well, I talked to the people on ground. I revealed his identity, my identity, and somehow he managed to come out, but with the story. Whatever he had done as an undercover and a sting operation was intact. Somehow he brought it and the story ran. So I would say I am expecting, this is a first episode, and I think it was a brave of Ashish. This story of Dream 11, I guess, was waiting to be done. I was in Uttarakhand somewhere and the cabbie was playing Dream 11. And he said, ma'am, I would like to buy a new cab. I said, तुम जुआ खेल के नई टैक्सी कैसे खरीदोगे? 80,000 तो मैं गंवा चुका हूं मैम. A cabbie who already spent 80,000 in anticipation. So it's like any other Ponzi scheme. And a very clever, because this country has a law which doesn't allow you to gamble in sports. So this is a very, very clever way to run the entire operations, and my heartiest congratulations. आशीष, तुम जैसे थे वैसे रहना. एक बात मैं आशीष की कह देती हूँ, मुझे बहुत विश्वास है. मेरे साथ उसने बहुत शॉर्ट स्पैन के लिए काम किया, लेकिन मैं बड़े गर्व से कहती हूँ कि आशीष ऐसा पत्रकार नहीं है जिसको कोई पैसे देके खरीद सकता. मैंने आशीष से हमारे साथ बड़ी बड़ी स्टोरियाँ की है, अपनी जान का रिस्क लिया है, लेकिन ये लड़का बिका नहीं है. सो आई एम वेरी वेरी प्राउड. ऐसे पत्रकार आजकल सिर्फ चंद है, उंगली में गिन सकते उतने हैं, और आशीष उनमें से एक है. तो मैं बड़े गर्व के साथ कहती हूँ कि मुझे सौभाग्य मिला कि आशीष ने मेरे साथ काम किया. एंड आई रियली रियली कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट, नॉट ओनली कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट, पर मुझे पता है, मुझे उम्मीद है कि इस मैगजीन में अब तुम बहुत शैतानी करोगे तो शायद बंद करने पे नौबत आ जाए. पर मेरी दुआ है कि ऐसे मैगजीन पढ़ते रहो, और ना सिर्फ इंग्लिश में. आई थिंक इट शुड कम इन लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान की बहुत आबादी है जो रीजनल लैंग्वेज पढ़ती है. तो आप हिंदी में या कोई और भी रीजनल लैंग्वेज में लाओगे तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है. सो wishing you all the very best, and again I say that it is a very, very proud moment for me that a generation next after me is doing exactly what I thought should have been done. Thank you so much.